recording. Please make sure
Ma'am,
to do
page
not get seven
167.
fast. Sorry,
Ma'am,
मैम
page
पेज
167.
167 है.
167 है मैम.
एक मिनट अब्दुल्ला बोलिए 167
167.
न्यू एडिशन में, ठीक है. So those of you who have new edition, latest edition, you will open page 167. Those of you who are like me, old people from the old edition, you will be using opening page 165. ठीक है.
Old is gold, ma'am.
ये चीज ठीक हो गया. I have 19 participants, including myself. ठीक है, अच्छा जी. Basically, correct form of verbs is revising all your tenses. ठीक है. We have done them over and over again. It's just that now you need to embed everything in your mind. ठीक है. इसी content को over and over again, if you will keep viewing this, if you keep coming back to it, your concept of tenses will be revived. ठीक है. Remember, having a solid grasp on your tenses will not only help you solve this 6 marks question, but also it will be helpful throughout your life, because from this moment on, you will not stop using the English language. Okay? No matter what subject you study, no matter what field of studies you choose for yourself in the future, English will remain English, and correct usage of English really matters a lot. Okay? It it gives a very strong impression on the people that you are communicating with, no matter you're communicating verbally, no matter you're communicating by typing or by writing. Your language skills really matter. And also remember, English being, although English seems like a very easy subject, but yesterday, I was speaking to one of my students. He had sent me a little audio of himself. He is doing his master's right now. And in his business class, one of his teachers have, asked him to write a critique. Critique is to write a critical analysis. And the students, he said that most of the students in his class, they were unable to attempt that particular question. And he said that it was easy for him because his teacher had already set high standards for him. And so, writing a critical analysis for that particular thing which the teacher asked him to do in masters, he was already familiar and aware with it. Okay, so once your teacher teaches you something, you need to, and she keeps on repeating it in class, it really helps you. When you study, again मैं छोटा सा lecture दूंगी कि जब आप पढ़ते हो, when you study, you are only benefiting your own self. And when you do not study, when you run away from your studies, when you say कि नहीं जी छोड़ो पढ़ लेंगे पेपरों के पास पढ़ लेंगे, that's when you are harming your own self. ठीक है. Remember, tenses किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं देते. Tenses are always helpful. ठीक है. We will now come to the future tense. अच्छे वाला कलर कोई ले लें, आज खट्टा हरा रंग लेते हैं. ठीक है. I am taking the fluorescent green. The future tense. The future tense, just like the present and the past, have also got 4 forms. The first one is the indefinite or the simple tense. The future indefinite tense is used to describe a single act that is still to take place. It hasn't happened in the past. It is not happening right now. It will happen sometime in the future. They will leave for London tomorrow. The court will give its verdict on Thursday next or the next Thursday. Just a minute, please. I need to mute you all because I can hear all sorts of sounds. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Yes, you have the ability to unmute yourselves. Okay. I shall see him next Monday. You can write next, and then you can write after the month or the week name, or you can write it before as well. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. The future continuous, or the future continuous tense is used to describe an action. Oh, okay, yes. One more thing. Future indefinite is made by simply writing the helping verb will or shall. बहुत ही टेढ़ा मेढ़ा लिख रही हूँ. Plus V1 form. Okay, this is how you make future indefinite or future simple future tense. Okay, will or shall plus V1. Remember, shall is used with I and we. Will is used with all other pronouns. Okay. Okie dokie. The future continuous. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action as going on at some point in future time. Wait, मैंने तस्वीर नहीं पूरी ली हुई. Uh-oh. Let me go grab my book. Oh, please open up. ओए हुए क्या हो गया इसको? हद हो गई, ये बुक्स मेरे पास ही पड़ी हुई थी और मैं उसको पूरे घर में ढूंढ रही हूँ. शाबाश. 165. I'm sorry, I forgot to take pictures. Yes, please. Acha. The future continuous. The future continuous tense is used to describe an action as going on at some point in future time. Remember, the action is continuing sometime in the future, will continue to happen sometime in the future. She will be taking her lesson in music in the morning. What I can do is I can bring the whiteboard over here. Pause share करके 1 minute. How do I get? अच्छा हम ऐसे करते हैं, हम stop share करते हैं, and now I need the basic thingy. I need the whiteboard. Okie dokie. ठीक है? अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा हमने देखा कि सिंपल में ओए हुए, ये आप लोगों को पता है कि भाई ये हम फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं. ये यहाँ से हटती क्यों नहीं है? जाओ इधर से प्लीज. बाय बाय. ओके. Am I sharing? You can see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are basically on the future tenses. ठीक है? I will simply write down simple continuous. हम यहाँ पर सीधा सीधा तुम आप लोगों को मैं इसकी बेसिक सिखाती हूँ और उसके बाद हम इसकी एक्सरसाइजेस साथ साथ देख लेंगे. Continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे सिंपल में we use shall and will. बहुत ही हॉरिबल लिख रही हूँ यार, टाइप नहीं हो सकती चीजें. प्लस V1. For example, I shall leave tomorrow. They will leave for New York tomorrow. ठीक है? Continuous में क्या होता है? The action is going on, but in the future. So you will have will, shall plus be plus verb in its ing form. ठीक है? I will be leaving. It is so difficult to write like this, honestly. कोई बोर्ड दे दे मुझे भाई रेल वाला. Then we talk about perfect. तो perfect में हमारे पास होता है जनाब have आ जाता है, तो will, shall. ठीक है? इधर भी मैं लिख देती हूँ shall. Shall and will plus have, not had, has, have में से कुछ भी आ सकता है. ठीक है? Have plus V3. ठीक है? I will have, or they will have left for New York tomorrow. Okay, and perfect continuous will be a combination of this and this. Will, shall, plus have plus been plus, क्योंकि continuous दिखाना है हमने, तो verb in its ing form. ठीक है? I or they will have been leaving. वही बोर्ड खत्म हो गया मैम. बहुत कंसंट्रेशन चाहिए भाई. ठीक हो गया? डू वी अंडरस्टैंड? देखो सिंपल सा है, इतना भी सिंपल नहीं है, लेकिन फ्यूचर और पास्ट की निस्बत इट्स अ लिटिल ट्रिकी, बट इफ यू लुक एट इट, हैड दिस बिन ऑन अ रियल बोर्ड आई वुडंट हैव बिन दिस मेसी. ठीक है? बट दिस इज योर बेसिक्स. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर दैट, एक मिनट मैं इसको हटाती हूँ. With I and we and with all others. ठीक है? With I and we use shall. And with all other pronouns, we use will. ठीक है? With all other nouns, pronouns, singular, plural nouns, we will use will. ठीक है? But with only I and we use shall. You can use will with I and we, but shall is used with I and will, not they shall go to school. You shall meet me. ठीक है? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता. Shall is used with I and we. You use will with the rest of the pronouns. ठीक हो गया? चलें जी.
जी मैम.
Overall content समझ आ गया हमें? ठीक है? We will now go through the book. You have the first exercise on page 165. Oh, sorry. She will be taking her lesson in music in the morning. Okay, the morning is not right now. The morning will happen in future. So she will be taking her lesson in music in the morning. I shall be reading the paper then. Not now, later, then. They shall be playing hockey at that time. उस वक्त वो हॉकी खेल रहे होंगे. ठीक है? Put the verb in brackets in the correct form of the future tense. Either use simple or indefinite or use the continuous form. Umair, I'd like you to do the first one. You not understand it.
Yes, ma'am. You do not understand it.
Do not तो use ही नहीं होना ना. Do तो आ ही नहीं रहा. Can anyone else try?
Ma'am, you will not understand it.
You will not understand it. Remember, use either this indefinite form, that is, अभी हम कर रहे हैं exercise. एक minute. Using the first exercise will use this one and this one only. ठीक है? Do हम नहीं लगा रहे भाई. Do जब तक verb do नहीं use होता तब तक हम do did done नहीं करते. ठीक है? Yes, you will not understand it. Next one. कौन है और आज हमारे पास? मेरा कर्सर किधर गया?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please. This watch not cost very much.
This watch will not cost very much.
This watch will not
This
cost
watch will not cost very much.
very good. Abdullah Khurram, number 3.
Ma'am, once again. I shall not have much. No, wait. I shall not have much money.
ठीक हो गया.
That
I
does
shall not
sound right.
have much
Ma'am, that
money.
kinda does not sound right. Like the sentence, I shall not have much money.
It sounds very formal. ठीक है? It sounds
Yes.
very formal. ठीक है? But it is absolutely correct. I will not have much money भी बिल्कुल ठीक है. But using shall sounds very formal, very British.
Okay.
ठीक है?
मैम ये तो पार्ट नंबर 5 नहीं हुआ, अभी हम पार्ट नंबर 3 और
बुक
4
में उमेर उनके
मैम हमने 3 मिस कर दिए 3 और 4.
क्योंकि आपके पास और मेरे पास ओल्ड एडिशन है. ठीक है? इन लोगों के पास न्यू एडिशन है.
ओके
हाँ नंबर.
मैम हमारा थर्ड है she work ब्रैकेट में work hard.
I know but वही बात मैं कर रही हूँ. इनके पास न्यू एडिशन है. न्यू एडिशन में और ओल्ड एडिशन में sentences आगे पीछे होंगे. ठीक है? So please remain alert. For us this was the old edition. The sentence that Abdullah attempted was the 5th one. ठीक है? Amna Kashif, she worked hard for the competition.
Ma'am, she will work hard for the competition.
She will work hard for the competition. Hania, I finished this exercise in an hour's time. Hania?
मैम कैन आई टेल?
Wait. I have finished this exercise. Okay, very good. I have finished. बेटे have finished जो है ना वो present perfect है. Present perfect है have finished. Anyone else?
I will finish this exercise in an hour's
This
time.
exercise, absolutely. What do you do at 4? What do
Excuse me,
you
ma'am?
do at 4?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Ramesh. What you do at 4? Very easy.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Sophia, please finish your breakfast. Make it quick. Yes, please. चले बच्चे, हमारे पास टाइम थोड़ी है इतना.
Ma'am, should I answer it?
जी बेटे बताइए आलियान.
What will you be doing at 4?
What you will be doing at 4. Very good. They travel all night. Who would like to answer this one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
They will be traveling all night.
They will be traveling all night. I wait for you at the usual time. Hamza Ismail. Yes, I'm reading the comments.
Ma'am, I will be waiting for you at the usual time.
I will be waiting for you at the usual time. She do her lesson in French in the morning.
Ma'am, हमारा है she learned her lesson in French in the morning.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे do her है. How will we change this one?
अगर do है तो फिर she will be doing आएगा.
She will be doing.
और
Very good. अगर learn है तो will be learning होगा. बिल्कुल ठीक है. अच्छा, अब्दुल्ला खुरम said कि ma'am Umair said I will finish, but you said we should use shall with I. Again मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले यही कहा था कि I के साथ shall formal हो जाता है, will भी use कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? कंपल्शन नहीं है, लेकिन shall को आप हमेशा I या we के साथ use करोगे, ठीक है? नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स ये करते हैं कि shall हर जगह पे लगाना शुरू कर देते हैं. shall अगर आपने यूज करना है तो वो I और we के साथ यूज होगा to show a formal tone of your work. लेकिन अब I और we के साथ will use कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके मैम, ठीक है.
In the third part, is it will be working or will work? She will work hard for the competition. Will work. Simple in simple tense आएगा, ठीक है? Sixth में Hamza, we will use the continuous form. What you will be doing at 4. क्योंकि यहाँ पे specific time पूछा है कि किस उस वक्त क्या कर रहे होगे. ठीक हो गया Hamza? Okay. Moving over page 66, 166, the future perfect. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will be finished at a certain future date. Sometimes in the future, at a specific time, the action will be completed. I shall have finished writing this novel by June next year. She will have stopped taking this medicine by March next. They will have left Pakistan before the end of the year. Sometime in the future, the action will be completed. That's when we use future perfect. The future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which has been going on continuously, present या past से शुरू हुआ था, and has yet to be completed in the future. और वो action आगे future में जाके complete होगा. ठीक है? हो सकता है past में शुरू हुआ हो सकता है present में action शुरू हुआ हो, और ये भी हो सकता है कि future में action शुरू हो और continue होके future में ही complete हो जाए. Completion future में होना mandatory है, ठीक है? By the next March, in such sentences आपका ये जो future का एक time जो है वो जरूर दिया हुआ होगा. जैसे over here it is by the next March. By the next March, I shall have been working on this project for 10 years. That I started this project 10 years ago, 9 years ago. I am still working on this project, and by next March, it is March right now, by next March, इस project पे काम करते हुए मुझे 10 साल हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? I shall have been working on this project for 10 years. By October next, I shall have been teaching at this college for 20 years. This tense, however, is not often used. Okay? The future perfect continuous is not very commonly used. Okay? Now, you have to do this exercise from 1 till 10 on your notebooks. Okay? I've done one exercise with you, which you have attempted on your textbook. The second exercise, again, just like the previous 2 days, will be attempted on your notebooks. ठीक है? The one that begins, इसकी मैं picture खींच के आपके WhatsApp group के ऊपर भी लगा देती हूँ, that this exercise needs to be attempted in your notebooks. ठीक है? With that we come to the end of our lesson. कहते हैं तो मैं इसको और बेहतर तरीके से भी इसके ऊपर एक एक्सरसाइज बना के, रिकॉर्डिंग बना के आप लोगों के लिए पोस्ट कर देती हूँ. ठीक है? चलें.
Okay, ma'am.
Exactly. The first exercise goes on the textbook. The second exercise, where you have to use the perfect tense and the perfect continuous tense, will be attempted in your notebooks. Okay. Make sure that you have marked your attendance before you leave. Any questions? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Hashir. Okay, ठीक हो गया, ठीक हो गया. Okay, Ramesh, good. Thank you very much. With that, we come to the end. Allah Hafiz.